Hello traders, Dick Shaheen here looking at Twitter, but first a splash of Tesla. Everybody's trading Tesla. This is a 15-minute chart, so it's weird to see these big dollar swings here. We're talking 960 to 680, so tough trade for a lot of people. Relative strength on this period of time is improving, so the lines are, the downside is whatever, 0 if you want. The lines are, if the buyers can take it again today, they rallied to 800-ish and failed. No surprise why they failed. But if they can take it out, then it starts looking like a cup and handle, right? So they will probably fill the gap to 880 and then some, if they can take out 800. Don't overthink it. If you're trading it actively, I would probably put an alert and chase it. If not, I don't anticipate it because it's a big ticket item. All right, back to Twitter. Not back. On to Twitter. So daily. I did a video on 1219, which is like right here somewhere. And I noted that we had just caught the breakout from this. We got lucky early, and then I booked it, and then I said I'll re-engage, and I put another alert during the video to 3240. I said I would chase it back above 3240. Maybe it fills the gap then. And it crept up and down and was doing tremendously well, and then the earnings came and they erased it. So is it a buy here? I never like to buy these pops for obvious reasons, but for this particular reason is because this is back almost to the ledge from which they fell. So the high of the giant accident scene was 40.5. If I'm fast enough to trade it from 39.50 to 40, fine. 40.5, fine. Otherwise, where's the rush? I would rather see it take it out because they're probably going to fail at it the first time. It's up 18% because the management said tremendous things. I don't buy it. They said horrible things here, and now they switched the metric. I thought I read the metric that said usually it's ARPU, average revenue per user. Now it's like ARPMU because now it's monetizable user. What the hell is that? I'm on there. Am I a monetizable user? Hell no, I'll never pay him for anything. As soon as it becomes a pay site, I'm out. So don't know if they're pulling the rug from under us and they're learning how to. My beef with Twitter was before I always complained about what they were reporting. I was like, why are you reporting this? You don't need to compete with Facebook on users. Your platform is beautiful. I love the platform. I don't like what they said from that perspective, but I'm not judging it. I mean, it could be that they actually turned the page. Plus, they said that metric, the revenue or sales from the monetizable user, is up 21%. I don't know what it was up before or down, and how much value is that? Dollars. So it was, I'm not a statistician, but I know enough that the numbers I read could be nothing different than from last time. Last time it got punished not because of the numbers, because of what they said. They said there was something broken and that they needed to fix it. I can't remember what. But anyway, from a technical perspective, this is not an obvious entry point unless you can splice that. That's my opinion. So why not wait? If somebody stuck here before the earnings, if somebody bought the earnings pre-earnings last time, they got shellacked. That was the high where they bought from. You think they're going to hold through it and the markets are at all-time highs? If the markets rally higher to 3,400, okay. There's no reason to sell Twitter all by itself. But I would, in fact, I put an alert last time during the video. I'm going to put another alert here. So I don't think I can get any smarter than this with levels. All right, this is where it's at right now. Look at that candle right there. You can hardly see it. It's, I can't zoom in. Okay, I can probably do this. This one right there. It's green in between two reds. It's a doji candle. It has a tail on both sides. And this is where they're at now, at the top of that tail. And then if I move sideways, it's bottoms for all of these. So if I wanted to get smarter, that would be a value I'd pick exactly where the stock is right now. But I don't think we can split those hairs on moves of 18%. Do I want to short it? For a trade, if I'm a trader and I want to argue with it, I can probably sell a call spread with tight stops, meaning if it continues higher, then I'm out with a little loss. or I just win half. So it's a coin flip toss if I wanted to short it. I could buy some put spreads and hope it falls, but I'll give them time. Yeah, I could do that. But if I'm looking to go long it, I would probably wait out and chase a breach of that. So how does that breach happen usually? They happen with a breakout and then solidification. Solidification, is that even? Okay, so breakout and confirmation. So they go, they fail, they go down. However much do they fill this? I don't know. And then finally they go back up and then start using it as, because here it is going to be resistance, most likely. That's my thesis. Then it becomes support, and then they use it for higher prices, and then they go about their business. So if indeed they actually fixed their business and they figured it out, then yeah, I would buy the breakout from there, but not until then. That's my opinion. It's not, but you know, look at the, in fact, now that I did this, this is a weekly chart. This is an even bigger breakout. So from here, a breakout from here, it could probably hit 64 with resistances at 54 and 56-ish. So take your pick. Depends on what I'm long. If I'm long Google and Facebook, I probably wouldn't do that. If I'm long Snap, I wouldn't do that. If I'm long a whole bunch of Qs, I wouldn't do that. That's just aligning too many trades in the same way, but that's me. The markets are open. Oh, speaking of open, there's a link down below to the chat room. And also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's free. Nick out.